You say life, love, louder, love. When I say love, everybody say life, love. Come on, love. When I say love, the whole party say life, love, love. Individually wrapped, placed in neat little rows, becoming a piece of everything that grows. Some numbers, a name to indicate you played the game. Came empty-handed and left the same. Soul is a soul, shell is a shell. That border in between is full of everything we felt. Cling to that cross, cause I'm tired and lost. Leaving it up to the weather to measure the cost. Every time I look within, I recognize that darkness. I'm familiar with the image of the artist staring at a bathroom mirror in a stranger's apartment. Can't remember their name, don't remember how I got here. I am thinking about death again. It humbles out the stress, helps the breath get in. I gotta check my friends as well as my next of kin. Let them all know I love them all until the end. And if the soul begins to reap, I think she'll know me from the sleep I keep caught in the corner of my bloodshot eyes. She got the nerve to let me dump a couple last words. I'ma turn to the party and scream. How many times must you prove you're an angel? How many more demons do you have to strangle? How much longer must you remain in this dream before they finally figure out if you're insane or... I just want you to know I see you. Someone asked me how long I thought that I would be allowed to talk to trashy. I didn't answer. I don't fucking know, man. Power to the people who dig potholes. Put me in a glass case full of treasures and fossils. I got the right to be hostile, right? Do we still have the right to be hostile? Quantity is up, market in a flood. The party right here's never steered through so much love. I'll take your laughter. Yeah, can I hear you laugh? Laugh. We'll work for food, rent, sex, money, or water. I don't know what else that they guys are offer. Firstborn? Nah, already got them. They came to the set hungry and they left hot and bothered. My posse's full of women, computer nerds, and bugs. And much to my dismay, I'm none of the above. Someday I'ma be the Mac of the minute. And it was so damn good, I'ma have to forget it. Listen to the limit, it's almost on. Drink ticket, hit me with a tall Porsche. Think quick, how much more insults will it take to break your light bulb? Shrapnel, scatter around the carpet. Hard to breathe cause you wear a big tarp. Tuck up on the choke chain, trouble the cold brain. Course I came to show. Shrapnel, shards of big hard scattered on the carpet. Hard to breathe cause I wear a big tarp. Tuck up on a choke chain. Go check your mail, go climb your ladder, go count the pieces that we've gathered. What does it matter? What are you trying to achieve? Let go of your throat if you're dying to breathe. Finally we've begun to make a little progress. Ain't a rock in this river that can stop us. Lost in the mix like a feeble overdub. Got me screaming at the sheep until the people know what's up. Smug's back with his collection of hubcaps. Caught a buzz, brought a notebook full of love raps. Open the pipes and tuck that voice in. Sit on the stage and nibble on my poison. But once in a while, there's a reason to smile. And most of life is spent deep in denial. It's all make-believe, I want the cake to eat. But the lake's too deep, trying to stand at 2 feet. Wondering about the thunder running through your blood. Try to keep my cool, but the hat fit too snug. Study the love, took my degree, shove it in a bottle, light it, throw it, shrapnel. Shards of blue blood scattered on the carpet. Hard to breathe, vision never fit its hard. Tell them on a check, travel the cold, brick, course out. Travel the cold, break coats, I came to show. Shrapnel. It's the caffeine, the nicotine, the milligrams of tar. It's my habitat, it needs to be clean. It's my car, it's the fast talk it used to abuse and feed the brain. It's the cat box, it needs to be changed. It's the pain, it's women, it's the plight for power, it's government. It's the way you're giving knowledge slow with thought controlling subtle hints. It's rubbing it, itching it, it's applying cream. It's Canadian sightseeing, them high beams up in my dream. Just the monsters that I conjure, the marijuana, embarrassment, displacement. It's where I wander, it's my genre. It's edited for the radio, it's game shows, cheap liquor in Blunts, Texas. Hands up, come on, angels, demons, skies, the white doubles, the monitors, the sound man, the mic levels. It's the gas fumes, it's the fast food, it's the whole damn scene, the underground and mainstream. It's Bloods and Crips, 5s and 6, stick-up gigs, Christian conservative terrorism and porno flicks. The East Coast, the West Coast, it's public school and asbestos. It's ventilated and it's techno, it's sleep, life, death, speed, coke, method, hay fever, pain relievers, oral sex, it's focus, breath, it stretches far as the eye can see. Reality, fuck it, it's everything but me.